Hello ladies and gentlemen, we're here on location in the Frozen Arctic Polar Bear dog sled team to this beautiful place of the what would normally be frozen glaciers, but as you can see through global warming, there are no glaciers here today. But this isn't about global warming. This is about a real and present danger, the common household seagull, known from coast to coast all around the world. The friendliest pet on the planet are turning evil. You might have heard about it, you might have read about it, it's been talked about, it's in the Bible. They're here today, known by the native Conundrum Indians called Weemawaps, roughly translated as peckerheads. We know them as the common seagull, coast to coast, loved by little children. And these are very dangerous wild animals. I've got two friends from Ohio that have actually lost their arms trying to do this trick. One that lost his leg, I don't know how that happened. But what you do is you take an 8-sided pretzel and you hold it up in the air. And if you're very calm and very, very brave, I mean extremely brave, because these animals will actually pick up a small child and carry it away. You can see they're very aggressive. They're attackers. They have no respect for people. I'm a professional. I mean, some people get carried away and you see 3 days later they come and they find their chairs sitting there and they can't find the people. They're gone. They're gone. They'll never find them. Here. See these animals? Very dangerous. Very. Okay, this is my lovely assistant Karen. Oh my gosh. Back up a little bit. Yeah. All I see was hat. Okay. Now I'm going to take a picture of her because it's good to document this, because I don't know how long she's going to last in this chair herself. Alright? She's fishing for something, and I see two of the seagulls, one right behind her there that's got the evil eye on. And I'm going to pan across here because you can see how many are waiting to pick her bones. Hundreds, literally hundreds, if not thousands of them. And the animals always appear to be smiling. They're everywhere. I mean, you take out a piece of food and you're feeding one friendly little animal, and there's like 150 of them that are sneaking up behind you, like coyotes or something. They're actually running herds. Back in the days of old, there's writings on Indian caves that show that they moved across the deserts, reaping and plumaging anything in their path. These are not friendly birds. These are mean, vicious animals. They look at this. Look at this. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. These things, people love these. Kids love these. They'll peck your eyes out, mister. Highly misunderstood animal, primitive. Not like a good dog. They have no respect for mankind. There goes a hand. I'm telling you. Look at this. Look at this. Karen is fearless. Look up in the sky. They're everywhere. They're blackening the sky. You can't even see the sun. Look at them. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. There was entire ships in the 1500s, big sailing ships, pirate ships. They would roll into port, nobody on them, except these seagulls. And they were angry. And nobody would know what happened. They were ghost ships. I want to show you something. This was Karen, down here. All right, this is a video that we took a little bit later. You can see that Karen's gone. I mean, she's not here anymore. She was brave. She was an excellent assistant, but I mean, there's nothing left. All they've left is clothing. I mean, anyway, we'll get another assistant, and we'll do more videos. This isn't the end. You wouldn't feed the bears. Enjoy these animals from a distance. Keep your children away from them. But do not, under any circumstances, let them get behind you.
The sun is shining down, puts a smile on my face. Close your eyes and then you can